Alright, hey guys, I just wanted to do a quick video because we've just got around to building the new Masterbuilt 1050 Gravity Series smoker. So I just wanted to give you a quick rundown on it and we'll go through a few differences between this and the 560. Alright, so difference one is this charcoal hopper lid. The old one, if you've seen them, used to open to the left, didn't have a stopper on it, and it would always hit the lid of the cooking chamber. It was a bit annoying. This one now has a stopper at the back and it opens to the rear, which is good, so you can have it up, it's not going to hit the wall there. It's held there by the stopper. Unfortunately, they've got the plastic kill switches still. We did melt one on the 560 and we never really ran it over 500 degrees Fahrenheit, so I was hoping they would have replaced them with metal ones or something, but it is what it is. So that's the first difference I noticed. Difference two is obviously the size. It's a bigger unit. You got 1060 square inches of cooking space apparently, and it is just an absolute horse of a machine. You could fit 3 decent sized briskets in there, probably 2 on the bottom shelf and 1, maybe even 2 on that middle shelf. You've still got that top shelf free as well. So that is a big unit. You could feed probably 25 to 30 people just on this barbecue alone if you want. Obviously you can still smoke and sear on it. It's great for pizzas and all the stuff that the 560 is good for. It's pretty much just the same unit in a bigger version. So that's the second difference we noticed. So the third difference I've noticed is the lid is a lot thicker and it feels a lot more insulated. It's a lot heavier. Obviously it's going to be a bit heavier because it's a bigger unit, but that just feels like it's got some real weight to it, which is good. It feels nice, thick and insulated. Hopefully it's going to help improve the efficiency of this, because as good a unit as they are, they're not as efficient as what I was hoping they would be. They're good, but they're not great. But yeah, really hoping that thicker insulated lid helps with that. So that's difference 3. Right, the fourth difference is this shelf on the front. Drops down if you want it out the way. Locks back into place real easy. I really like it. The more space to store things on you've got around you, the better. You can have your basting stuff, sauces, brushes, whatever you need while you're cooking. You can have it on here. Difference number 5, they've got rid of the coated steel on the side. It looked nice being black, but it scratched really easy and it stood out like dog's balls when you did scratch it. So I like that they've changed it to just plain old steel. They've also given us some hooks on the side, which is good. The old one didn't have it to my knowledge. So I reckon that's just about it for the differences. So we'll have one last good look at it. So you still get your control panel there. Big cooking space. Front shelf. Still the same setup with your fan underneath that blows into the charcoal hopper. That obviously forces air up there and then in through here, and then you got the smoke and the heat coming out of that vent there. And then it escapes back here through this. So they've actually got rid of the exhaust. They had a different style exhaust at the back here. It just comes out through that gap here now. So I think there is a rotisserie kit that's coming, so hopefully they bring that out soon. So yeah, that's pretty much the differences. Alright, so that is it for the differences. Obviously there's one more difference being the price. I think these are about $21.99 recommended retail as opposed to $12.99 for the smaller unit, but you can expect that double the size for double the price, so I think that's fair. You'll probably see them on special for about, I don't know, $2 grand. So stay tuned because we're going to be doing plenty of cooks on this. So if you haven't already, make sure you've subscribed because we've got heaps of cool videos coming out on this and our other smokers. So subscribe if you haven't already, then we'll notify you when our new videos drop. And apart from that, we'll see you next time. Cheers.